Position of preposition. Position of preposition. Commonly prepositions are used before objects. Example we can take: book is on the table, girl is in the class. In both sentence, before table, before class, on, in, preposition are used. So we can say commonly prepositions are used before objects. It is clear now? Next rule. When object of the preposition relative pronoun, that is relative pronoun, preposition is used end of the sentence. Example we can take: this is the book that you asked for. Here in this sentence, that is relative pronoun, but we couldn't use for preposition before that. Reason? According to rule. So we have to use for preposition end of the sentence. Next rule. When object of the preposition is any interrogative pronoun, preposition is used end of sentence. Interrogative pronoun: what, who, whom, which. These are interrogative pronouns. Example we can take: what are you looking for? What in this sentence is interrogative pronoun, but we couldn't use for preposition before this. We have to use for preposition end of sentence. Next example: whom are you taking for? In this sentence, for preposition we used end of sentence, but my brother, we can use preposition before whom. Example we can take: for whom are you taking? Like this we can use preposition. In this sentence, for preposition is before whom, not end of sentence. And the second sentence: whom are you taking for? In this sentence we used for preposition end of sentence. So both type we can use: preposition before whom we can use, and end of sentence we can use, no problem. Okay, clear? And like this, which is interrogative pronoun. Like whom we can use preposition before which and end of sentence, no problem. Example you can take: which class do you study in? In preposition in the end of sentence, not before which. And the second sentence we can take: in which class do you study? In this sentence, in preposition is before which, so we can use, no problem. Okay, clear? Next rule. When object of the preposition is a concealed relative pronoun, preposition is used end of sentence. Example: this is the student whom I was speaking of. Whom is relative pronoun. This is concealed relative pronoun. Okay, clear? And next rule. Sometimes object of the preposition to cause effect comes before sentence, then preposition is used end of sentence. Example: this I asked for. This we used before sentence. And next rule: if, this, that, next, every, last, etc. Are before time indicators words as morning, evening, afternoon, month, week, year, summer, winter, spring. Preposition is not used before these. Example, he came this morning. According to rule, we couldn't use in preposition before this. Second sentence we can take, he came in the morning. Before morning there is not indicator, time indicator word. So we used in preposition, the morning. Okay.